In today's video, we're going to dive deep into an exciting new AI-powered platform, TenWeb, which is here to revolutionize how you build websites. If you've been wanting to create a stunning, fully functional site but felt overwhelmed by the technical side, then this tool is for you. Trust me, you're going to love it. Stick around until the end of the video, and I'll show you how to use this platform to its full potential. To get started, let's dive into pricing. When you visit the TenWeb website, you'll notice 3 main plans available. Each plan offers a range of features tailored to different needs, whether you're an individual blogger, a growing business, or an agency managing multiple clients. The agency plan is designed for large teams or businesses looking for comprehensive features and advanced functionalities. But here's the exciting part. You don't have to decide on a plan right away. TenWeb offers a free trial, which is a fantastic way to explore the platform before making any financial commitment. This free trial gives you full access to their features, so you can see firsthand how it works, test the tools, and ensure it's the right fit for your needs. Whether you're building your first website or managing multiple sites for clients, you can try everything out without any pressure. If you're ready to give it a go, simply follow the link in the description below to sign up for the free trial. It's a great way to experiment, explore the features, and make an informed decision before committing to any plan. So go ahead and take advantage of this offer. At its core, TenWeb is an innovative, AI-driven website builder designed to work seamlessly with WordPress, making website creation faster, simpler, and more efficient than ever before. Whether you're a small business owner, a photographer showcasing your portfolio, or someone looking to establish an online presence, TenWeb has all the tools you need to create a stunning website in no time. What sets TenWeb apart is its integration of artificial intelligence. The platform's AI technology can generate content and images tailored specifically to your website's needs, eliminating the hassle of starting from scratch. Whether it's generating blog posts, service descriptions, or custom images, the AI helps speed up the design process and ensures the content aligns with your goals. But TenWeb isn't just about automation, it also offers complete customization. With its Elementor-based drag-and-drop editor, you have the flexibility to fine-tune every detail of your website. Whether you're crafting a personal blog, a business site, or a professional portfolio, you have complete control over the design, layout, and functionality. From fonts to colors, images to widgets, everything is adjustable to fit your unique style. In essence, TenWeb combines AI-driven efficiency with powerful customization options, ensuring you can create the perfect website with ease. It's the perfect platform for anyone looking to build an eye-catching, user-friendly site quickly. Once you sign up for TenWeb, you'll be given options to begin your website creation journey. This option utilizes the AI-powered tool to generate personalized content and images tailored specifically to your needs. It's perfect for starting fresh and having the AI handle much of the heavy lifting when it comes to design and content creation. If you already have a website built on a different platform, this option allows you to migrate it to WordPress easily. The AI streamlines the process of transferring content and structure without losing important data. For this example, let's focus on building a brand new website using TenWeb's AI-driven builder. After selecting Create a New Website, you'll answer several questions regarding your business and the type of website you want to create. The more details you provide, the more tailored your website will be. For instance, if you're launching a bakery, you can specify bakery as your industry, and the AI will automatically generate relevant text like delicious cakes and pastries made fresh daily, along with images that represent your business, such as pictures of cakes, pastry icons, or even the kitchen environment. All you need to do is fill out basic information about your bakery, such as the types of products you offer, and the AI takes care of the rest. From there, the content and images will be optimized for your bakery's website, giving it a professional and welcoming look right out of the gate. And if you wish to make any adjustments, you can use 10Web's Elementor editor to fine-tune elements, making sure the website fits your exact needs. Whether you're building a portfolio, an online store, or a service-based business website, 10Web's AI ensures the process is fast and customized to your industry. The platform even offers a helpful sample prompt. Example can serve as a great starting point, but the customization options are limitless. You can modify the prompt to reflect your unique style or focus area. For example, if you're running a fitness coaching business, you might change it to "I'm a certified fitness coach dedicated to helping clients achieve their health goals through personalized workouts." If you're unsure about crafting the perfect description, you can always use AI writing tools to refine your message. Just input a few key details, and the tool can help generate a well-crafted, professional prompt that reflects your business. This is an especially handy tool for those who may feel uncertain about writing content that truly resonates with potential customers. Once the AI generates the content for your website, it's fully customizable. You can fine-tune the language to align with your brand's voice, ensuring it speaks directly to your audience. Whether you prefer a casual tone or more formal language, the platform gives you the flexibility to make adjustments. Additionally, as the content is generated, the AI automatically recommends images and visuals that fit with the text. This makes the design process much simpler, as you don't have to search for appropriate imagery yourself. You can even tweak the images or layout to better suit your vision, ensuring everything on the page aligns perfectly with your business identity. By streamlining both content creation and design, the platform allows you to focus more on what matters most: growing your business. Once you've crafted the foundational structure of your website, 10Web offers a variety of ways to enhance and customize it according to your needs. Whether you're looking for a fast way to design or aiming for something unique, the platform gives you the flexibility to choose your approach. For starters, you can clone pages from other websites you admire. If there's a specific page layout from an existing website that you think would be perfect for your own, simply enter the URL, and 10Web will duplicate it for you. This feature can save a lot of time when you see a layout you love but don't want to spend hours building it from scratch. Alternatively, you can choose from pre-made layouts. 10Web has an extensive library of ready-to-use layouts designed for various industries, so you can quickly pick one that aligns with your brand. These templates are fully customizable, which means you don't have to compromise on your vision, but can still benefit from the time-saving designs. If you're feeling more adventurous and want total creative control, you can start from scratch. The platform provides all the tools and flexibility to build your website exactly the way you envision it. Once you've entered your business details and chosen your preferred design style, you're just one click away from a fully functional website. Press the Generate Your Website button, and let the AI handle the heavy lifting. In moments, your website will be ready to go, complete with personalized content, images, and layout, all tailored to your specific needs and brand identity. This process allows you to create a professional website without the hassle of starting from zero or hiring a developer. Once you've filled out all the details about your business, you'll be prompted to sign up. After signing up, you'll choose a password, and then the platform will begin setting up your site. During the setup process, your website is being hosted on 10Web servers, which is another fantastic feature. You don't have to worry about finding a hosting service because everything is handled for you. While your website is being set up, let's dive into some of the impressive features that make 10Web stand out from the crowd. With 10Web, you can effortlessly build or recreate any website using the power of AI. This feature is designed to save you countless hours of work by automatically generating content and suggesting layouts tailored to your needs. Whether you're creating a blog, portfolio, or business site, the AI tool can quickly build a solid foundation, allowing you to focus on other important aspects. You have access to a wide range of premium, fully customizable templates. These templates are professionally designed and cater to various industries, ensuring that you can create a polished and professional website without needing a designer. You can easily tweak colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand's unique identity. One of the standout features of 10Web is its fast hosting, which guarantees a 90+ page speed score. Fast loading times are crucial for both SEO and user experience, and with 10Web's hosting, your site will perform optimally across all devices. Enhance your website's functionality with over 50 premium widgets. These widgets cover a variety of features, from galleries and contact forms to social media integrations and pop-ups. With just a few clicks, you can add powerful elements to your site without needing to write any code. Once the AI has finished setting up your website, you'll be directed to your user-friendly dashboard. From here, you can begin managing every aspect of your site, whether it's updating content, tweaking designs, or optimizing your pages for better performance. The intuitive interface makes it simple to make changes, add new features, and even track your website's progress with built-in analytics. With everything in one place, 10Web empowers you to take control of your online presence. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll notice a variety of options to manage and enhance your website. Here's a breakdown of the key features you can take advantage of. The platform allows you to easily create additional websites using the same AI-powered builder. Whether you want to expand your online presence or start a new project, the process remains simple and efficient. Just select a template, answer a few questions, and let the AI generate a custom website for you. One of the best things about 10Web is its built-in optimization tools. These features are designed to help improve your website's performance, boosting load speeds and overall functionality. If you already have a website on another platform, 10Web offers an AI-assisted migration feature. For beginners, you might start with just one website on the platform. Once your website is live, 10Web offers several powerful tools to help you optimize it even further and ensure it performs at its best. Speed is crucial for both user experience and SEO, and 10Web's Page Speed Booster helps make sure your website loads quickly. With the Page Speed Booster feature, your site's performance is enhanced by optimizing images, compressing files, and minimizing unnecessary code, all of which work together to reduce load times. 10Web ensures that every website built on its platform is SEO optimized right out of the box. The platform offers built-in SEO tools that guide you in optimizing on-page elements like meta tags, keywords, and alt text. Security is a priority for any website, and 10Web provides a range of security features to protect your site from potential threats. Every website comes with SSL certificates, ensuring that all data transmitted between your visitors and your website is encrypted. Regardless of the plan you choose, you're getting premium Google Cloud hosting, 24/7 live support, and access to all the essential tools for building and optimizing your website. 10Web offers an intuitive platform for anyone who wants to build a professional website with minimal effort.